Hello friends, welcome back. I have right here the Simply Gilded Fawn'd unboxing, and this is, I've seen a bunch of unboxings and I'm very excited about this because inside of this little bag here there's a case that I really like. I love all the pockets, I love everything about it, so I'm really excited about getting this subscription this month. So I'm going to open this up, and this is, it comes in this really pretty package right here. Instead of the usual box, it comes in this, and this is obviously something that we can reuse, and I will be. I don't know what for, maybe for travel. This make a nice little bag to put inside of my travel bag to keep some of my goodies in, like my planner goodies, because obviously I'm going to travel with my planner goodies. So here's what it looks like when you open it up. There's this really nice sleeve right here, which I'm definitely going to reuse inside of my planner. And there's a whole bunch of goodies inside, so I'm going to take them out. And then this is the pouch, which I'll open in just a minute. So here's the pouch. It's got your bow on this side. And I think I can attach it inside of my ring, my A5 ring, but I don't think I want to punch it because then I'm going to lose some space. So I'll probably attach it to something that I punch and put it in my A5. So here is the little card which tells you everything that's inside. I did take the mystery item out and put it off to the side so that way at the end I can show you what the mystery item is, but I won't just throw it out there without some warning. But here's everything that's in here. I'll leave that for a second. This is the journaling card. Super pretty. It's got that same like baby fawn pattern in the background, which where I live, these are everywhere. Like every day I wake up and they're in my front yard. So I think they're really cute, but they also eat all of my plants. So here is the notepad, which this is a sticky notepad. And it looks so pretty. It looks so pretty, I don't even want to take it out of the little belly band that's around it, but here it is with the gold bow. And then we have here inside of this, I'm going to open all the packaging here. Sorry if I sound weird, I haven't been feeling good the last couple of days, and I'm working and I'm tired, so I'm sorry if I sound blah. I really am excited about this, even though it probably doesn't sound like it right now. Look at that. Fall in love. Oh, that's so pretty. I love the check pattern. And then the one that looks like the baby deer. And then there's a couple of kits here for stickers, which I will go through this really fast. Oh my gosh, come on, open. I like to save these to put like the extras, the leftovers in, so I try not to ruin them, but boy, this one is tight. There we go. There's that one. Okay, this is super cute. I'm gonna flip these over. This has like almost like a iridescent, sparkly over. Can you see that? It's really pretty. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. And then it's all of your heart icons are in here. This one is your numbers and some more icons. And then you've got your smaller little mini with the full boxes and the half boxes. And then these are your check boxes and some deco. Super pretty. Oh gosh. And I love the paper that she uses, even though I don't use it so much with my kits because you have to have the right kind of pen to write on these. But these boxes really don't write on anyway, so they're perfect. I love this. It's so pretty. It's way nicer in person than it is when you're watching people's unboxings. Just saying. So when you get yours, if you're subscribed to this box, if you haven't gotten it yet, you're going to absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this. This one I'm going to use for sure. Oh, and then the bow seals. And then this is the extra, which I guess is like full-size boxes from all the past kits. So it might be kind of fun to go through here and try to figure out which kits they went with. But there's 2 of these. And these are all full-size boxes. I love this one. Oh, I love them both, actually. Super nice. I wish I had been subscribed for this one. I like that. Yeah, that's nice. Anyway, getting sidetracked again. Here is your book, and this one is a dot grid. I'm not going to open it, but I'm excited to have it because I'm going to show you what I've been doing with these. And yeah, this is going to go in there, and I love this check pattern with the gold on the top. This is really pretty, and I know this is a dot grid because I saw somebody else open it. Then in this thing is your package. So this is the container that has all the little pockets inside. There's a zipper here on the outside, which is, it goes all the way down. So you can put stuff, it goes all the way to the bottom. You can really put a whole bunch of pens and stuff in there. Then when you open it up, it should be full of all of my washi. And I do subscribe to the add-on washi, so that will be in here as well. Oh, and the pen is in here. I almost forgot about the pen, but I'm going to show you this first. Tons and tons of pockets. I love this right here, where you can see what you put in there. There's a couple more big pockets up here, and I know those go all the way down because I can see the stitching all the way to the bottom. These come out, so there's a clear pouch here that snaps in. So if you want to take it off and just take this, or you want to take this out because you want more space, because this also comes off. Great, whole bunch of spaces for pens on both sides, all of your highlighters and stuff, and then you got the scraping pocket right here. So this is awesome, and that is the reason why I'm doing this video right before I go to work, because I want to take this with me, and this, and I'll show you what I'm doing with that. So, oh my gosh, I got so much stuff. I've been trying to organize stuff in between my work stuff and getting things done, because we are going on a little family trip at the end of December. So I'm trying to get some stuff organized so that I can pack things up and take them with me, because there's literally nothing to do where we're going. Everything is closed, everything's shut down, so it's going to be just seeing family that we really, really miss. This is a really pretty pen. It's just Simply Gold. It's beautiful. It has the bow on the top. I'm getting my fingerprints all over it. I love this. It's really nice to have just a plain simple pen like this, a gold one. Next now we need a silver one with nothing on it that just goes. So if you have that like weird planner color that nothing really goes with, you can have just a plain pen, but it's beautiful. I love that. Okay, so washi. There's a ton of washi here. I'm going to actually show you what I've been doing with it. Then I'm going to open it all up and then show you the finished product. So these are them before I open them. This is the add-on, 5mm add-on, and then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 washis in the regular subscription, and then 4 more in the add-on. So I'm gonna show you what I'm doing with that. So you remember when we got this? And I was so excited because I'm like, oh yeah, I got a B6 thing. Well, I don't use a B6 planner anymore because I kind of moved away from it, but I did find a reason to have this. So when you open this up, inside of here, I have all the books that I had left that I hadn't used for anything, and I'm using them for washi. So one of the things that I wanted to do was to keep track of the washis, what month they came in, the name of the kit, and what I have. So, because if I don't use all of the stickers or all of the ephemera or any of that stuff that comes in the kits, and I save them to kind of add them into other ones, it's nice to know which washis go with them and where they came from. So I'm doing that with all of my different washi, my different subscriptions, and I needed another one for like the subscriptions where I get washi that are not, like that's not their main thing. Because I have like miscellaneous washi, which I haven't done this one yet. This one is going to be all of like the ones that I pick up at like Tuesday morning. I have a bunch from Tuesday morning. I have them from Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, stuff like that. This one is my Cocoa Daisy one, which I also haven't done yet, but this is going to have all the Cocoa Daisies in it. And it's going to go by the month that they came in and the name of the kit. And then this one's all the Simply Gilded. And then this one is going to be the other, when I buy washi from like the small shops. So that's what this one's going to go here. So I'm going to swatch these out in the Simply Gilded book, and then I will show you them all rolled out. Okay, I have them all swatched out and they look so beautiful. So here is the 5mm. So you've got the ones with the bows and the little fawn pattern. I love just having plain with the gold strip. I think that's beautiful. Little check pattern here, and then the like ivy leaves with the little hearts. Then on this side, in the main kit, these are the big washis. So another one with that same fawn pattern. Got your bows. I love this. Gratitude, memories, love. Some more bows, but it's a little bit skinnier. This one I didn't realize until I was swatching it out is perforated. So these are some nice headers here with the scalloped, gold scallop pattern. And then this here is that sparkly. I don't know if I'll be able to get it for you to see it, but it's that kind of has a weird texture to it, but it sparkles. So it's very, very pretty when you put it down inside your book. And then I just label them. So main kit is here and the add-on kit is here, and I'm going to do that for all of them and everything else. It's part of my kind of my 2020 things that I want to accomplish, which is organizing things like my washis and my stickers and getting everything kind of in an easier to find place, because let me tell you, I've got literally bags of stickers that are left over from all these kits that I subscribe to, and I don't want to get rid of them because I can always use them when another kit comes up that's kind of similar, but they're just in bags all over the place. So anyway, I'm going to get into the mystery item. So if you don't want to see this, now is the time to go. And yep, so that's it. It's time for you to go. And here's the mystery item. So this month you are getting this adorable little hair scrunchie. And another reason why I wanted to open this today before I go is because I want to wear this today to work, because I think it's adorable. And I'm going to put it in my hair before I go to work today. But isn't that adorable? It's that same pattern that your bag is made out of, and I'm going to wear this today, so it's going to make me happy. Anyway, that is it. That's everything that comes. Oh, and it comes in this cute little organza bag. This is everything that comes in the kit this month, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, I love it. I can't wait to see what 2020 is going to bring. I can't wait to see what the December box looks like. And I know I'm already jumping ahead. I need to just enjoy what I have in front of me. I'm always looking. I'm always stalking her on Instagram to see if she's putting out any sneak peeks for what next kit's going to look like. Anyway, I hope you guys have a fabulous weekend, and I will see you again real soon. Bye bye.